Hello and welcome back everyone to a new video of How to Guide. If you're also trying to log in to your employee account of United Airlines, then you're watching the right video because I'm going to show you the exact process and the website of logging in to your employee account of United Airlines. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get right into it. First of all, you need to open up your web browser and search for signon.ual.com. Once you search for this, it's going to straight take you to the login section. Now from this website, you need to type in your user ID or your United Airlines ID. So you can type in either of these information and then in the next box type in the password that you created while signing up. If you don't remember your password, you can click on the password help link and follow the steps to recover your password. Once you typed in both of these information, you can click on login, and if the information that you entered was correct, you'll be successfully logged in to your employee account of United Airlines. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.